one of the most commonly asked questions is, how do we change the filter and how often we need to change the filter? Now, how do you change the filter is very easy. So there is a cap here on the left side of the device. This is the filter. This filter usually lasts for average family of 3, around 10 to 12 months. If you have a big family, it's probably going to last around 9 months. Now, you can, in the settings, you can literally choose filter check, and you can see how much of the filter you have used, and you can order filter in advance before you run out of the filter. How do you change it? There is a plastic lid here that holds the filter. You literally open it, remove it, you take out the filter, make sure there are 2 black rings that you also take out with the filter, because the new filter comes with the black rings automatically. So you take them out, and then you take the new filter, you literally place it.
Your filter has been reset.
Your device will automatically recognize the new filter, and it will tell you it's a reset. And then you take it, you take the lid, and then you make sure your filter sits well, and then you literally close it. Make sure when you close it, this plastic lid touches the wall of the filter, and at the end you will hear the sound when it clicks. That's when the filter properly sits, and then you literally close the lid.